What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be doing another house cleaning video on this same Hoover Power Drive Supreme, but I'm going to be doing a different brush roll. And what I'm going to be using for this particular house cleaning video is it with the Hoover Concept 1's Quadraflex brush roll. I was wanting to see how different this Quadraflex brush roll cleans compared to the original brush roll. As you can see, he's got nice little beater bars back here, and this is the matching bottom plate specific for this brush roll, and it does fit in place. I was actually surprised it wouldn't. So, with that said, well, let's go ahead and get cleaning here. Just make sure the self-propelled is on. Now we're going to move on to the rest of the house. Alright, now we're all finished, and I really love using this vacuum. This is basically, for now, as close as I can get to getting a self-propelled concept vacuum, because basically this vacuum pretty much has the bottom end of a Hoover Power Max and the top end of a Hoover Dimension. These were a very good platform for the Hoover self-propelled vacuum. It's a shame that some of the parts for these are discontinued, and also it's a shame that these had a very short run. I think these only ran for like 3 to 4 years before they were replaced with the wind tunnel self-propelled. But anyway, now let's go ahead and see what this thing picked up. Wow, baby. You can see all that. Now, I haven't vacuumed my house in a little over a week, and this is how much this vacuum with the Quadraflex brush roll can pick up. I also do kind of like the sound the brush roll makes when it hits the carpet. It also leaves very nice carpet lines as well. Well, I hope you guys have enjoyed the cleaning with the Hoover Power Drive with the Quadraflex brush roll. Don't forget to like, rate, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.